Hey there, car enthusiasts. Welcome back to your channel where we bring you the latest and greatest in tech and gadgets. Today, we're diving into the top 9 coolest gadgets every car driver needs, all available on Amazon. Whether you're a tech lover or just looking to enhance your driving experience, these gadgets are sure to make your time on the road safer and more enjoyable. Let's jump right in. 9. BioAuto and Outdoor Car Kit. The BioAuto and Outdoor Car Kit is a comprehensive solution designed to enhance your driving experience and ensure you're well prepared for any journey, whether on the road or in the great outdoors. This versatile kit includes an array of essential tools and accessories tailored for both automotive maintenance and outdoor adventures. Key components of the kit feature a high-performance jump starter, a powerful air compressor, and an extensive toolkit for basic repairs and adjustments. For outdoor enthusiasts, the kit offers durable, weather-resistant storage options, a multifunctional flashlight, and a compact first aid kit to address emergencies promptly. The inclusion of a premium portable vacuum cleaner ensures that your vehicle remains spotless, while the multifunctional knife and fire starter come in handy during camping trips. Designed with convenience and practicality in mind, the BioAuto and Outdoor Car Kit is compact yet comprehensive, fitting seamlessly into your trunk or storage space. 8. HUDWAY Drive. HUDWAY Drive is an innovative navigation app designed to revolutionize the driving experience by integrating advanced augmented reality (AR) technology. This cutting-edge app overlays essential driving information directly onto your vehicle's windshield or dashboard, providing a clear, intuitive view of navigation directions, speed limits, and real-time traffic updates without distracting you from the road. The app uses a combination of GPS, gyroscope, and camera data to deliver accurate, easy-to-follow navigation prompts, ensuring you stay on track and avoid hazards with minimal effort. HUDWAY Drive's user-friendly interface allows for seamless route planning, offering options for avoiding traffic, finding the quickest route, and exploring alternative paths. Its dynamic AR display helps you maintain focus on driving while providing critical information in a straightforward, heads-up manner. Additionally, the app features voice-guided directions and customizable settings to suit your preferences, enhancing both convenience and safety. Ideal for both daily commutes and long journeys, HUDWAY Drive transforms the driving experience by merging technology with practical usability. 7. Ruba Car Vacuum. The Ruba Car Vacuum is a high-performance, compact cleaning device designed specifically for automotive use, making it an essential tool for maintaining a pristine vehicle interior. Engineered with powerful suction capabilities, the Ruba Car Vacuum effectively tackles dirt, debris, and spills with ease, ensuring every corner of your car remains spotless. Its sleek, ergonomic design allows for easy handling and maneuverability, enabling you to reach tight spots and hard-to-access areas like under seats and between upholstery seams. Equipped with a variety of attachments, including a crevice tool, brush nozzle, and extension hose, the Ruba Car Vacuum adapts to different cleaning needs, from detail upholstery cleaning to thorough carpet maintenance. The vacuum's efficient filtration system captures fine dust particles and allergens, contributing to a healthier environment inside your vehicle. 6. Shytheart Car Tent. The Shytheart Car Tent is an elegant and practical accessory designed to provide superior protection for your vehicle while adding a touch of sophistication. Constructed with high-quality, durable materials, this car tent offers reliable shelter from harsh weather conditions, including intense sun, heavy rain, and snow, ensuring that your vehicle remains in pristine condition year-round. The tent features a sleek, velvet-like fabric that not only enhances its aesthetic appeal, but also contributes to its ability to effectively shield your car from environmental damage. Its robust frame and easy-to-assemble design ensure stability and security, while the adjustable straps and anchors keep the tent firmly in place even in windy conditions. The spacious interior accommodates various car sizes, offering ample room for comfort and ease of use. 5. Shire Mini Tire Inflator. The Shire Mini Tire Inflator is a compact yet powerful tool designed to provide quick and efficient tire inflation for a variety of vehicles. Ideal for those who value convenience and reliability, this mini inflator is engineered to handle everything from car tires to bike tires with ease. Its compact design ensures it takes up minimal space in your trunk or storage compartment, while its robust performance makes it a dependable companion on the road. Featuring a high-efficiency motor, the Shire Mini Tire Inflator delivers rapid inflation with precise pressure control, ensuring that your tires are always at the optimal pressure for safe driving. The built-in digital display allows for easy monitoring and adjustment of tire pressure, while the automatic shut-off function prevents overinflation by stopping the inflator once the desired pressure is reached. The inflator comes equipped with multiple nozzles and adapters, making it versatile enough to inflate a range of items beyond just tires, such as sports equipment and inflatable toys. 4. Car Cup Coaster. The Car Cup Coaster is a practical and stylish accessory designed to enhance your driving experience by protecting your vehicle's interior and keeping your beverages securely in place. Crafted from high-quality, durable materials such as silicone or leather, these coasters are designed to fit snugly into your car's cup holders, preventing spills and reducing noise while you drive. Their non-slip surface ensures that your drinks remain stable, even on bumpy roads. Beyond their functionality, Car Cup coasters add a touch of personalization and sophistication to your vehicle's interior. Available in various colors, designs, and textures, they can complement any car's aesthetic and provide a sleek, modern look. 3. Pneumatic Jack. The pneumatic jack is a high-efficiency lifting tool designed to make vehicle maintenance and repairs quicker and easier. Utilizing compressed air to operate, this jack provides a powerful and reliable lifting mechanism, making it ideal for both professional mechanics and DIY enthusiasts. Unlike traditional jacks that require manual effort, the pneumatic jack allows for effortless lifting and lowering with the push of a button or the pull of a lever, significantly reducing physical strain and improving safety. Constructed from durable materials such as heavy-duty steel or aluminum, the pneumatic jack is built to withstand the rigors of frequent use while supporting a wide range of vehicle sizes and weights. Its design often includes features such as adjustable height settings and a large, stable base to ensure a secure lift and prevent tipping. The pneumatic jack is compatible with various air compressor systems, making it a versatile addition to your garage or workshop. It typically includes a quick-connect air fitting for easy setup and operation. 2. RevoPlate Digital License Plate. The RevoPlate Digital License Plate is a groundbreaking innovation in vehicle registration technology, merging functionality with modern aesthetics. This digital license plate replaces traditional metal plates with a sleek, high-resolution digital display that offers a range of advanced features designed to enhance convenience, security, and personalization. One of the standout features of the RevoPlate is its ability to display customizable messages and designs, allowing vehicle owners to personalize their plate with unique graphics, text, or even seasonal greetings. The plate can be updated remotely through a smartphone app or web interface, making it easy to adjust or change information as needed. In addition to its customization options, the RevoPlate includes built-in security features. It can be equipped with real-time tracking capabilities, which can help locate your vehicle if it is stolen. The plate also supports automated registration updates, which means you can keep your vehicle's registration information current without the need for physical stickers or renewals. The plate is designed to be weather-resistant and durable, ensuring reliable performance in various conditions. 1. Drive Zero. The Drive Zero is a cutting-edge smart dash cam designed to enhance your driving experience with advanced features and sleek technology. This innovative device provides comprehensive protection and convenience by combining high-definition video recording with intelligent connectivity and user-friendly functionality. Equipped with a high-resolution camera, the Drive Zero captures crystal-clear footage of the road ahead, ensuring that you have detailed evidence in the event of an accident or for reviewing your driving habits. The dashcam's wide-angle lens offers an expansive view covering more of the road and surrounding area to provide a complete picture of your driving environment. One of the standout features of the Drive Zero is its real-time connectivity. It integrates seamlessly with a smartphone app, allowing you to access live video feeds, review recorded footage, and manage settings directly from your mobile device. And there you have it, our top 9 coolest gadgets every car driver needs from Amazon. All these gadgets are designed to enhance your driving experience, whether it's through safety, convenience, or just plain fun. Check out the links in the description below to grab these awesome products for yourself.